Alright, today I want to quickly show you a trade setup. I have to begin with the daily time frame. Let me quickly go on to the daily time frame. On the 4 hours time frame here are key levels, and you may not see this very clearly, so let me switch to okay, good. This is GBPUSD, and on 1 hour there is a trigger signal here on this 1 hour time frame, and I'm not taking action on it yet. Let me quickly show you something. Let me go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have a bearish continuation pattern here, and here is horizontal resistance level, support that was turned resistance, and price is struggling around it. It has been there for so long. Now 1 hour, it's been around there for so long. Now with this formation, now conservative trader may want to wait for this very period to close, which just actually opened in about 30 minutes ago, right? So waiting for it to close to see if it will form an evening star. But then if you look at where it opened below the close of this bearish candle is remarkable. Now I'm going to go on to check out the other key levels, which I'll begin with this. At here there is a barrier here on the daily time frame using this multiple trend line creator. Alright, then if I switch to 4 hours, on 4 hours here is another resistance there also. It's calling for a pullback. Alright, and then of course, having closed on a bullish engulfing pattern here, breaking above this, and this one getting here and being rejected. So check on 1 hour. On 1 hour, there's been a rejection here, and then this one retesting this level again, finding it difficult to check 30 minutes. And on 30 minutes, the same thing. 15 minutes, the same thing. So this is a clear indication that this place appears to be a no-go area for the bulls. So I am going to initiate a selling around here quickly. Right. So now if you check where this 15 minutes opened, below the close of this previous shooting star, and now this one has opened above this one, but then whatever, this level is a level for selling right now. Okay, so the price rejection for several 15-minute periods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. So it's a good indication to sell around here. So I'm going to initiate a sell order right here at 1.603 level. So quickly I open up to initiate my sell order. Right. So either I wait, but where will I put my stop loss? When you have found a trend, found your entry level, determine your risk immediately. So I check my risk. If I enter at 30 or 27, let me see. So I even enter at 28 here, and my stop loss here 12 pips. So I could use 20 pips stop loss. I could use 20 pips stop loss. All right, and then so with that, although this one might close higher than this, so I will just be targeting at 30. So let me put a sell limit order there, and I might enter multiple positions in any case. So I enter 30 on this. Okay, alright, okay, put 31, 32, okay, so 20 pips above that will be around 52, okay, it won't go right now because, okay, well then, go ahead. Alright, and on this one, I can still open on this instant order while that one waits. So I put my stop loss, that's at 28, yes. Then put my stop loss at 26 pips, okay. I enter. I'll be setting up the take profits very shortly. Okay, so let me set up the take profits. Right, I've determined the risk. Okay, now the take profit for this, I am going to, this one, the 57 is 30 pips, 39 pips. Okay, 29 pips on this, while this is going for about 21 pips. All right. Okay, so with this rejection here, as if this is rejected, then it will come and battle for survival around this middle level, where if it fails, here is the next place struggle will take place. And then on, let me switch back to 1 hour. Right, if it fails here, okay, here is the next struggle area. After that, this is a confluence area where it's really going to battle for it. That's at 1.5995. Now what I'm going to do around here, and I'm going to now switch over to my multiple horizontal key levels, not trend line now. Of course, the auto trend line, the mark indicator will also, come into play here. All right, so, and I want to enter another position right here. I want to take a second position right here while I wait for it to, whether it will go and trigger this. So let me just enter that and then put my stop loss here. 52. Okay. All right, then I'm going to be checking out the the pivot points. All right, the pivot point key levels. All right, here we are on those. I'm waiting for it to see if it can move a little up. Then I will pull the trigger again to sell here. But meanwhile, let's watch this. So if it fails here, because it's struggling at 24 level, 6024. It's also struggling with this is weekly Camarilla sub breakout level, which has become a resistance right now, and struggling with the weekly floor pivot support 1, which has become a resistance line 2. So if it doesn't succeed there, here is the yearly support, yearly pivot point, which is currently a support level, right? And then after that, here is the trend line on 4 hours support. All right, that's at 5982. So here could be a place for to watch, a place to watch for the PS. So because price will come and retest this level again. It's only when it fails, to break below here that it may jump up again. So it will still come back to retest this to see how what happened yesterday. Because if you check out yesterday, put this on the daily time frame. Yesterday, where it closed yesterday, all right, it just closed exactly at this yearly level. So it's still proving it's to be a stubborn level. This yearly pivot point, with this pivot point, which is a key level, is still proving to be a tough and a strong level. So while price, even this morning, has also tried it again. Price has tried it again and didn't succeed. So price may likely, because it's still operating on the daily time frame, it's still operating below the auto trend line key levels. All right, this is Tom DeMarc's auto trend line key levels. Is still operating below them, and here is the daily trend line targets here at 1.5896, meaning that if this fails to return upwards, price may be heading down here. Now, for a trader who trades on the swing, a swing trader, okay, opening this position and targeting here may not be, out of place. So the trader could also open and target this place. Okay, so let me. All right, 28. I thought I could just sell a little higher than where I'd already entered, but it's not giving that. Let me get in. Okay. All right. So I think I've entered with 1 pip higher. All right. Okay. So with what we have here now, this struggle, where it ends is very important. Of course, if it fails here, hopefully it will come to yearly Camarilla buy level. And this one, I'm not even thinking about it. Actually, once our daily target is met, I'll be out of the market. For swing traders, they might be projecting for as low as this very target here and even this one. Since for me, these trades are to be closed today, so my target will be very, very moderate. So I will just return to the 4 hours time frame and then watch what happens, how this will close eventually. If this closes bullish above this level, you know what I'll do? I'll pull out. But then we'll watch it in the next about 35 minutes. This 4 hours time frame will roll over and I will come back to check it. But in a matter of a few minutes, this is at 32 already. This one might be be filled in very shortly. Okay, it has been filled in already. So we have 3 sell orders in place right now. This has been filled in at 33, so 28, 29. Okay, so we'll be back to check. I'll just be monitoring it, and then at the top of the hour, that's at the hour rollover, we'll see whether we should remain in these trades or not.